Hi, this puzzle is taken from Sudoku Viz. So let's try to solve it. See the box number first. We cannot place one in these two cells, and because of this one we cannot place one in these two cells. So the only possible place for one is this. Now check for all ones where we can fill the ones. Now it's all the ones that are done. Let's try to solve a little bit faster. Now let's see these two fours. So because of these two fours and one four is there, we 4 and yes, check this 7. We cannot place 7 in these cells. We cannot place 7 in these cells. 7 is not possible here. So 7, this 7, 7. All right. Now just see this 3. Because of these 3, we can simply block these cells for 3 and we can place 3 here. Now 3. Now check the first column. We cannot place 3 in these cells. So the only possible place for 3 is this. Now 8, 6, this is 4, this is 4, 4. Now 4 it's a simple one. So the last box only two numbers are left, that is 6 and 9, and we cannot place 6 here, so here it is 9 and this is 6. With this 9, 9, this must be 9, and this is 9. This is 8, 8, 6. It's easy. Now see these two cells, only two numbers are left, that is 2 and 9. So we can do the pencil marking also for 2 and 9. So with this we cannot place 2 in these two cells, so we can simply block these two cells for 2, and this is 2 now. If this is 2, then this 3 and 6. Now only one number is left in this, and that is 5. Now this 5, let's try to complete all the 5s first. This is 5 and this is 5. All the 5s are done. Okay, now let's see how many numbers are left. Okay, let's see for the 8 in this box. We cannot place 8 here. We cannot place 8. So we can only place 8 in this cell. And with this, 8 is this. Now 8 is done. Now check this 7th column. Only one number is left, that is 7. So just 7. This is 7. And one more 7 is this. So in this box only one number is left, that is 2. Again it is 2. And this must be 9. This is 2, 2, 9, 9, 6. Now puzzle is almost complete. This is easy one. 4. This is 2, 2, 6, 6 and 3. It's done now.